Welcome to Southern Arkansas University's quick guide for setting up Duo Mobile, our system for two-factor authentication. The first thing you will need to do is install the Duo app on your smartphone. Make sure your device is running at least Android 11 or iOS 16. You can find the Duo app by searching for it in the Google Play Store or in the Apple App Store. After downloading the app, you will go to mfa.saumag.edu and log in using your SAU Microsoft credentials. You'll be guided through a short enrollment wizard to register your device. And that's it. From now on, you'll be prompted to use Duo when logging into your SAU account, keeping your account secure and your information protected. If you experience any issues, please contact IT at helpdesk@saumag.edu.